You see this? It's fucking monsoon. Listen, don't talk shit. I don't know. God or whoever you want to believe in, nature, fucking listening. I'm fucking drenched.
Is this recording? Boom. Getting deep with Gina. No. Getting deep inside Gina with Gina.
So I'm going for a walk. Went to Hudson County Park. Start to lightning. Alex calls. Yo, what's going on? You run? Like, nah. I got this. But look at this shit. There's fucking lightning everywhere. I'm walking right into a storm. Holy fuck. This is back in the day. Maybe like that one. She ain't gonna live till tomorrow. Probably doesn't even know what to eat. Probably eat some fucking poisonous berries. Find some shrooms. Think that's food and eat it. Trip balls and die. Only we would walk towards the storm. Look at this. Look behind me. And now look at this. Yeah, man. Fuck. But that park is beautiful. Fucking apparently they stopped to get some trout, so there's people fishing. I don't know what they're catching. If anything, we got people working out, people running, walking. You know, got big girls, small girls, tiny boys. What's up, Po? You Pokemon going? Probably. It's fucking car doing nothing. Right? Like, what's the worst that could happen if you're stuck out here? You just get wet. Phone probably gets ruined. Clothes soaked. I don't know what else. Uncomfortable. Your socks get wet. Feet get wet. Yeah, no, it's pretty shitty. Oh, should probably turn this off. But I feel like I'm okay, right? Like if lightning comes, because I'm so short, I feel like if lightning's gonna strike, it's gonna strike the taller thing. Right, as long as like I'm not the tallest thing on the field, but I'm not. Fucking street signs taller than me. I don't know. Alex said whoever taught me how electricity works taught me incorrectly. I don't know what that means. As long as I'm standing next to a taller thing, it should be good. Although, don't they say that in a lightning, when lightning is there, you shouldn't stand next to a tree. But that's because, why is that? That's because the tree is taller and the tree is a electricity conductor. Sometimes I feel like I'm really smart, intuitive, logical. And then there's moments like this where I'm like, this sounds logical, but it feels like the completely wrong answer. Fuck, man. Po everywhere. "70 sunny days, my ass." Add that to your math total. Okay. As soon as I made the school comment, it started to pour. Look at it. Can you see? Life lesson. But first run of the past 6 or 7 months, fuck, that felt good. Say 3.5 minutes, spend half a mile. Not too bad. Not very fast, but not bad. But now my feet fucking drenched. Fuck.